The Triple E scare isn't quite over yet in Michigan and over in Connecticut. Officials are warning parents to dress their kids and loved ones appropriately as the virus affects their state. Some are concerned about kids' safety right before they hit the streets for trick-or-treating. Fox's Dave Puglisi has more.
It's a scary concern. Like, it's popping up everywhere and you're just like, who's next?
Julia Gomes is excited to take her 8-year-old niece trick-or-treating this year. Little Kayla will be the Queen of Hearts.
She has like this huge flowy skirt, the pop collar, a little crown. I think it may even draw the little hearts and stuff.
Gomes created the costume with Triple E in mind. She made sure it had long sleeves to give that extra layer of protection.
There's still like that in the back of your mind, like, what if it happens to like the people I know, my niece? That's scary.
Over 20 communities in the state of Connecticut have had mosquitoes test positive for Triple E. The Connecticut Department of Health is asking people across the state to take caution when outside between dusk and dawn. This Halloween, they suggest wearing protective clothing and insect repellent.
Parents are parents. When they go out trick-or-treating, parents are always going to have you wear sweaters, because my mom did.
Dr. Theodore Andriadis of the Connecticut Agriculture Experiment Station says the numbers of mosquitoes are decreasing rapidly, but the concerns over Triple E will continue as long as moderate temperatures persist. He says mosquitoes aren't actively biting when temperatures are below 50 degrees, but we won't be completely safe until we experience our first hard frost.
Hard frost is below 32, where you get freezing temperatures.
Is there less violent crime when there's a lot of pollen in the air? According to a new study from Wayne State University, the answer seems to be yes. Their main finding was that on very high pollen days, violent crime went down 4%. That's significant because that also means police services are less stretched by 10%. While researchers couldn't tell why this occurs exactly, they do have one idea.
People just want to be less active on high pollen days. They are more sluggish, they have seasonal allergies, they are just not feeling well, and so they're less likely to do physically demanding tasks, violence being one of them.
The researchers used pollen data from 15 U.S. cities, including Detroit, and compared them to crime statistics. Other studies have already shown violent crime increases in hot temperatures and higher pollution levels.